In today's video, we're going to be going through how to invest money to make more money in the UK. But fear not, if you're not from the UK, these will still be relevant, I promise. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Euan, and on this channel we talk about personal finance and investing in the stock market. So if that's something that interests you, then please hit that big red button that says subscribe, and why not hit that thumbs up, because that does help out the channel. But remember, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a random dude in a tie-dye t-shirt talking to you through a camera. So please do your own research before investing your capital. Today I want to show you how you can invest your hard-earned money to make even more money. I think there's a big misconception that you need a lot of money to start investing, and I don't think that's even true, especially with the trainee 2 and 2 fractional shares and other companies like Moneybox, which allow you to invest just £1 every single month or every single week, whatever fits your budget basically. So the first way to invest your money to make even more money is by opening an account with trainee 2 and 2 using my link in the description. But seriously, all you have to do is deposit £1 into the trainee 2 and 2 account, and you will receive a free share, which is roughly around £8 to £10, but it could be up to £100. And recently, someone who clicked on my link received an £80 share of AstraZeneca, so probably worth doing. And then you can recommend your friends to join the app through your link, and you can make roughly around £200 depending on which shares you get. Sorry about that was a bit of a plug for my link, but hopefully someone can click that and get a free share. So now I'll get into the proper ways of making a lot of money from investing. The first way to invest money to make even more money is by investing in yourself, and there are three sort of mini ways of making money doing this. I know investing in yourself sounds a bit cliche, and I'm not telling you to go on a trip to find yourself in Southeast Asia or buy a course for £10,000 in order to make £1 million, but I personally think that investing in yourself is really beneficial for your career and your income possibilities, so it's a really good idea to do so just to maximize that. And these are the three actual ways that you can do so. So my first one would be books, second one would be events, and the third one would be equipment. So let's go over books and audiobooks. They are a great resource to help you learn about how successful people made it and how they became wealthy and successful, and etc. etc. So I think that is one of the big takeaways that you can take from a book. You can basically have a blueprint on how this person did what they did, and what they did well, what they didn't. And all it takes is one piece of information from a book. Could be a couple of words, a whole paragraph, or something like this, and it could completely change your life, completely change your mindset around things. And I think that's really valuable, because then that £10 book could be worth a lot more down the line, because it's giving you that skills, it's giving you that mindset change into making a lot more money and being wealthy, etc. etc. or just happier. And another great thing about books is that you can actually pass this knowledge, pass these books onto your friends and family, and you can all succeed and rise together, which is what you want. We're all in this together, and we all want to succeed and be happy together. The books I currently recommend are Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, and I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. All of these can be found in the description below, and also if you sign up for Audible, you can get one of these for free. These three books combined have allowed me to save more money, prioritize investing, and finally prepare myself for long-term financial success. The second way to invest in yourself is through events. There are so many of these events across all industries, across all companies, etc. etc. And attending these events can actually be so much more beneficial than you probably actually think. You probably heard the phrase, "You are what you eat." No, that ain't right. You probably heard the phrase, "It's not who you know, it's what you know." That's not right either. You probably heard the phrase, "It's not what you know, it's who you know." And this is actually really true. You might think this is wrong and it shouldn't be like this, but get over it. Investing your money and your time into events like this means you can meet like-minded people who are on the same journey, that are doing the same things, they have the same problems, and this can give you a special connection and friendship with these people, and potentially get some business or mentorship out of these people. So it is really important that you go to these events, obviously after coronavirus, but even so, if there are networking events that are online, etc. etc., then it is good to go to these, because you never know who you might meet, and you never know what they can do for you or what you can do for them. The third way to invest in yourself is by buying equipment. So whether that's buying a car so you can get to your job and other side hustles, etc., or just buying a dishwasher, which allows you to free up time so you can work on your business, and or just buying equipment like a camera or a nice new laptop, which will allow you to do your job faster and just grow your business or just invest in yourself. This is more of a mindset thing, But if you're taking, for example, 2 hours to do the washing up every week, and you could have made £50 in the time that you were doing the washing up, doing your business, for example, then the opportunity cost would be £2,600, which is a fair amount. But obviously, if you decided to buy the dishwasher for £300, then you could spend that additional time working on your business and making that £50 every single week. And you come out with an extra £2,300 purely by just changing your mindset. And if you realise that obviously the £300 is quite a lot to begin with, if you're making £2,300, then obviously you're making a good return on that investment. I've personally done all of these three to try and improve my life and level up my game on YouTube and game just in general life. My game? I don't know. You know what I mean. The second way to invest money to make money is by investing in the stock market, maybe on Trading 212. Wink, wink. Link in the description. For me personally, I prefer dividend paying stocks, so I invest in dividend paying stocks and ETFs because it gives me that regular income either yearly, quarterly, and some even pay every month. If you invest £100 into a 3% yielding stock, then every single year you have an additional £3 extra income, which I know is not a lot, but over a long period of time, that can build up to a large amount. So essentially you're paying for income, which is obviously a weird idea, but I think it is a great idea. You're paying for the privilege of receiving that income in the future. So you sacrifice a little bit of your income every single month, say £100, which will allow you to receive more income in the future. Admittedly, it does take a long time, but my thought process is every single £100 that I invest allows me to have one free coffee from my dividend income. So I like coffee. Got one right here. Well, nearly empty. But you know what I mean. That's just my thought process. The third way to invest money to make money is to start a business and reinvest into your business. And if you don't have a business, why not? I think everyone under the age of 25 should be trying to start a business and be an entrepreneur. Obviously, it might not be your cup of tea, but I think it's a really good idea to at least try. If you are young-ish like me, then you have plenty of time to make mistakes and you have no responsibilities or less responsibilities than you will perhaps 10, 15 years into the future. So now is a great time to do so. And especially with everything going on at the moment, there's a good opportunity to create something special and from scratch. So why not give it a go? Even if you do have responsibilities and you've got family, you've got people to care for. With the internet, you've got the ability to make money online and do stuff with relatively little effort once you've set it up, basically. And you never know, you might make the next Amazon. And if you do, then give me a shout and I'll try and invest in you. Invest in you? Dodgy. Anyway, this is exactly what I'm doing. I'm reinvesting all of my money that I make from this channel back into the channel so I can make better content, more research content, and more content effectively. And hopefully it will allow me to leave my job and start this YouTube journey life as an online creator. But you never know. So any support is much appreciated. Sharing, commenting, whatever, even just watching, that is supporting me. So thank you everyone who has done so far. So that has been how to invest money to make even more money in the UK. I know this has probably been a bit brief and I didn't expect it to be so brief, so apologies for that. Thursday I'll be back on the horse. I'm still recovering from my holiday. But hopefully you did get some value out of this, and if you did, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, comment. As you may or may not know, I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so any help would be much appreciated. And I'm not a millionaire, but I'm trying to help you become one, so peace. So that has been how to invest more. So that has been how to invest money, and then hopefully I'll be able to leave my job from the income that I'm currently making, and hopefully I'll be able to leave my job so I can make some income, and hopefully I'll be able to leave my job, and hopefully I'll be able to leave my job. And hopefully it'll allow me to leave my job. So that is a bit it. So that